We are a
hydraulics works,
environmental and water resources engineering,
civil engineering design firm.
Before using GeoHECRAS, one of the challenges was to present data to our clients in a visual format.
We had problems with different importing of the AutoCAD Civil 3D files.
Regular HEC-RAS software was just super frustrating.
Dealing with multiple programs, multiple platforms, taking the results from one, putting it into another program.
The one thing that we like being able to use the stream stats portion of the software that automatically gives you flow data. And then we also like the graphic interface of it, because the graphics of it outperforms any other software.
The export to Google Earth. This makes it easy to share information with the client, and they don't need to have the software to view results.
When I do run a model, I can see the mapping in the background almost in real time.
Every issue that you wanted HEC-RAS to do, GeoHECRAS solves that.
Certainly has saved us a lot of time.
This has basically cut down to about an hour's work versus 5 hours work.
With the GeoHECRAS program, a lot of those extra steps are now condensed into one.
I would definitely recommend GeoHECRAS.
I would say it's a necessity to have. I can't see not having it at this point because we rely on it so much now.
The CivilGEO program, GeoHECRAS, puts everything together in a package that makes it easier to use. But in the long run, it can save you money and help your efficiency.